What it do, you guys? Back at it again with one of the videos, and yes, your boy is getting consistent. We're getting consistent. Today's actually a customized video for my shoes that some of you guys saw on my post. I am gonna be customizing them at my brother's house, but I am dropping off some shoes at his house because, you know, your boy got tired of seeing his big brother in some ugly ass shoes. So I had to bless him with some heat, and we're about to go pick them up right now. Right now I'm about to meet up one of my homies. I'm about to pick up some shoes for my brother, and I'm about to go inside Play-Doh closet, but I'm gonna see if they let me bring the camera in, so let's ride. Let's go real quick. Fat no, they didn't let me bring in the camera, so I came back, but I'm about to start driving. That's why I have my glasses. But your boy did just pick up a good Champions hat, and also I don't think they knew what they had, but I picked up some Nike Yeezy Roshis, dead stock. It looks like they didn't have the box, but I'm about to go give these to my dad. I'm about to bless my dad with some heat too. And let me go ahead and just show you the shoes real quick. Let me see. I just picked up dead stock Origin ones for my brother. Let's see, dead stock. Look at that. Right, my shoes used to be like this clean. No, you can't look at it. But yeah, these are dead stock. See, still in the wrap. And let's go give it to him, and let's go do these customs on the SBs so we can go and I can show you how it looks on feet. Let's ride.
What's up, homie?
What up, bro? Hold up. Open it up. Yeah, dude, I gotta bless your feet. I gotta bless you. We out here blessing people. We're out here blessing people. All right, now time to go do my customs.
gotta say, stay away from the fake. I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shop out pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.